All right, y'all. So I'm about to let my wife hear the bike, which y'all know I don't know if I told y'all, but I called my bike. Her name is Equal Peace because of the black and white. So we call her Equal Peace. So I'm about to let my wife hear the bike for the first time with its stage one, full stage one. The pipes, air, what is it? The air duct? No, the air cleaner and the actual Eagle, excuse me, Screaming Eagle tuner. So it's gonna be the first time. Now check the Rinehart pipes out, babe. Look at this.
Thing. Okay.
Oh yeah, because all that traveling, you know, I'm gonna wash it off. See here?
Ooh.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And guess what? Look at the color.
Black. Of course. Oh, black and white.
There you go. Come here, Della. Della. Come on. I don't know why my dog eat grass a lot like she a cow. You know, I know they said dogs eat grass if their stomach is upset, but her stomach is not upset.
This is new too, right?
Isn't that neat?
Okay. So
Hey,
what's
that came with the bike. See that?
Oh.
See, wives really don't even be paying attention. They be, oh, it look nice.
Okay.
No, babe, that's the docking. That came with the bike.
Okay.
So the Rineharts are new though. All
Yeah.
right, that's the improve. That's the increase.
Nice.
All right. So now let's look at the Willie G connection or the collection.
Yeah.
Babe, the Willie G collection is super awesome. All right, so let's start with the pegs. Okay, look at this, guys. Man, 2 thumbs up once again to Adamec Harley Davidson, Chris, the tech. All right, Brent. You know what I'm saying? The sales supervisor. Awesome job. I may have got his title wrong, but awesome job. So I have the Willie G foot pegs, the Willie G shifter. All right, and look at here. Yep, that's right, boo. The Willie G gas cap and the handlebars.
Yeah.
Look at that. What do you think?
Nice.
Oh, the grippers. Yeah, the Willie G grippers. Isn't that cool, man?
Yeah, that is cool.
Like, what? Willie G out, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then on this side, we have the Willie G brake pad. See there? And then the Willie G foot peg here. So now they had the Willie G pegs for you, but see, they were like half this size.
Oh no, that wouldn't work.
Yeah, it was just too thin, you know, and I know you want something bigger, yeah, or wider. So here's the deal. They're gonna send me the actual piece because they didn't have the piece actually showing that this is the stage 1 Screaming Eagle.
Okay.
So here it's gonna say 114, and under here it's gonna say stage 1 Screaming Eagle. So that's pretty cool. Okay. But I wanted to keep my 114 cubic engine here.
Remember you told me that.
Yeah. So this air cleaner here, like, can you bring me that old one from the box I showed you just a little while ago?
Yeah.
I want you to see the comparing the difference. What you doing, girl? Huh? What daddy girl doing? Huh? What daddy girl doing? Huh? What you doing? Daddy big girl. All right. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are, daddy big girl. Yeah. Yeah, is that the filter?
I don't know.
Okay. Come here, girl. Come on.
Oh, I think so, because of this screen.
Close. That is the screen, but the actual filter is here. There we go.
There you go.
Awesome. All right, so let me show you the difference here. So the stage 1 air filter, see here, you wanna come around? All right. Can you see that from there?
Oh yeah, the line. This right here.
No, boo. See here?
Oh yes.
See how wide that is? Look at this here.
Wow.
That is a big improvement. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's
see
like
that?
half the size. Does it go around like this?
Uh-huh.
Oh
yep.
Yeah. Underneath.
Yeah, that's all signs of a stage 1 there. Yeah, bigger airflow kit. Yep. So this is a small one here, guys. Actually, I probably put this on Facebook or Let Go or something like that. You know, the whole collection set. So yeah, but this is a definitely huge wider airflow. All right. So But that Willie G, that collection, man, I definitely wanted that. So, all right, babe. So, you want to stand back there? You can hear it for the first time.
Yeah.
Do you remember what the old one sounded like?
Mm-hmm.
No, you don't.
Softer sound.
Huh?
A softer sound.
Good. So remember when we were at the Harley dealership when I purchased the bike, and the salesperson drove it around to the back to put air in it, or he rode it around the back to put air in it, and you were like, "Where's the sound? I don't hear anything."
Yeah.
You remember that? And I was like, "Well, babe, I gotta get the pipes on there." Okay, so here we go. Come here, Della. I want you to hear it too, girl. Over there by mommy.
Come here. Just fascinated by that sound.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Here we go. All right, here we go. Ooh, my God. 3, 2, 1. Where Della? Where you at, Della? Why you hiding behind mommy? Okay, good girl. Stay. Okay, here we go. Pull it, babe.
So I put it toward me?
Yeah. Just do a quick rail.
Right here?
Huh?
Right here?
Yeah, just do a quick rail. That's dual. That is true dual, guys. That's both pipes. That's here and here. Yes, sir. What do you think?
I like it.
It's louder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huge difference.
Wow.
Stronger sound.
Good. Yeah.
What?
That was weird.
Yeah, it is weird.
Let's see. That was weird. Let's try that again. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, let's see if we hear that weird sound again. Oh, cool.
Nice.
But I like it.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, I'm definitely satisfied.
Yeah.
So here's what I like to do, babe. I like to get some flybys, okay? So, what, y'all thought it was over? We about to do some flybys, baby. Okay, so let me explain to my wife what a flyby is, and I'll be right back. So I'm about to do a flyby so you guys can actually hear the pipes, the Rinehart. So as I stated earlier, these on the Rinehart sound so good. Full stage 1, duals, true duals, the whole shebang. All right, so we'll go around, and my wife is going to record me just going back and forth. So hopefully the neighbors don't complain. All right, so that was the actual flyby. All right, so let me know what you guys think. I tell you what, I'm definitely grateful that my neighbors encouraged me to ride the bike before the stage 1. Honestly, I really can tell the difference. I would even say like maybe a 8 to 10% horsepower. It feels good, guys. It's a lot quicker on the throttle. It's deeper in sound. I really like it. It's pretty cool. So, all right, guys, blessings.